Welcome to the SarGX Hotel and Hospitality Digital and Entertainment System. Digital live television.
It wasn't trendy.
Fast, smooth channel zapping is all made possible with our high-performance video streaming technologies. Video on demand. Fast forward, reverse, or even pause your movie.
No, shut up. Shut up. Go on. Ladies and gentlemen, Emma.
Room service. Integration to most popular PMS systems is all made possible with SarGX. Inquiries welcome. Taxi service. Hotel directory. Allow your guests to comfortably view all the hotel facilities. Exchange rates. Exchange rates are updated every 1 hour. Tours and activities. Manage all your tours and activities anytime with the easy-to-use SarGX centralized management system. Airport information.
Flight arrivals timetable.
Information is updated every 15 minutes.
Flight departures timetable.
Guests can check their account anytime. Room service transactions, tours and activities are all stored and summarized for an easy checkout experience.
As marital therapy could work wonders. Would I have been...
This is the SarGX Hotel and Hospitality Entertainment System. We hope you have enjoyed the demo. For more information, please visit our website at www.sargx.com.